Hello everyone, welcome to Blog Tip Tuesday. This is Coach Molly Ryder, and today we are going to talk about categories. We're going to talk about how to add a category, how to edit a category, and how to classify your blog into a specific category. All right, so to get started, I'm going to end my PowerPoint show here and get back to our dashboard. Okay, so when you're on your dashboard on the left-hand side, you want to make sure that you click on Dashboard and you choose Home. And then you should see in the center here the box titled Right Now. For some of you, the Right Now box may be shrunk, so you can open it up by clicking on it. And then you'll see in here that it shows you your posts, pages, categories, and tags. Today, we're going to be focusing on categories. So you're going to click on the categories option. It's going to bring you to all of your categories. So if you want to add a new category, this is definitely a great place to do so. On the left-hand side, you will add the name of your category, okay? Now the name of your category, you want that to be something that's very reader friendly, so it's easy for visitors to read and understand, and it's enticing. So once they read it, they're interested, they want to learn more, they want to check it out, they want to click through and see what articles you have in that category. So for example, some of mine include copywriting in your business, copywriting for your ebook, marketing blunders, marketing success secrets, marketing your book, my learning experiences, products I love. So these are some of my categories. Now the second piece here is the slug. So let's just say, for example, I'm doing copywriting for your business. Okay, let's say that's the name of my category. And if I could spell it all correctly, that would be great. All right, the slug. So the slug is the URL-friendly version of the name, which means that when someone clicks on the category up here, the URL will include this slug name. Now, unless you input your own slug name, the name that you put together for your human visitors will automatically become your slug name. However, over here you can see that for copywriting for your ebook, my slug is book copywriting. Okay, and so you want your slug to be very search engine happy, okay? And book copywriting is a keyword phrase that is in my niche and in my sweet spot. So I'm going to put here for the slug, book copywriting, okay? I'm not going to choose a parent. Parent would be as if I wanted this as a category underneath one of my current categories. It gets a little complicated and a little overwhelming, a lot of steps for visitors, so I tend to veer away from that. If you want to add a description, this is for yourself, okay, so that you can see more information about it and know exactly what you mean to put into that category. Then you simply click Add New Category, the button down here at the bottom, and it shows up on the right-hand side. Okay, so to edit a category, let's say you want to change the name of a category. All you need to do is simply click Quick Edit, and you can change the name or the slug of one of your current categories. So if you've already created categories and you now want to go and add in a sweet spot keyword slug, you can certainly do that. You add it here and you click Update Category. Let's say, for example, you want to delete a category altogether. You can absolutely do that. You just put your cursor over the category and you choose Delete. Now, if you delete the category, you will not, I repeat, you will not delete the blog posts associated with that category. Instead, let's say you put it in a couple categories, it'll go under the other categories that you placed that blog post in, or it will show up under the general category. So right now there are 0 posts in my general category, but if I got rid of the products I love if I got rid of the products I love category, then those 3 blog posts may show up in general because they now no longer have a home in any of the other categories. Okay, so your blog posts don't get deleted. If you delete a category, they simply go back under general, and then you can provide them with another category if you'd like. Okay, so let's say, for example, that you want to change the categories of a number of your blog posts. So let's say ebook publishing. I actually want these blog posts to go under another category. I simply click on the 10, the word 10, and I can come here and it's going to show me the 10 articles that I have under my current category of publishing ebook. And then I can see what other categories I've also put them in, and if I want to edit, I can quick edit and change the categories, and I want to make sure I hit update at the end. Okay, so that is how you edit your categories. Again, you're going to go under dashboard. Under the box right now, you're going to select categories, and you can either add a new category, you can delete a current category, you can quick edit and change the name and slug of a current category, or you can move the posts around from current categories that you have into other categories. Okay, lastly, you want to go in and add categories to your blog posts. So if I click on edit next to a category, next to a blog, so once you have written your blog post, on the right hand side you're going to see a section titled categories, and if you don't see anything drop down, then all you need to do is click on it and it will open up and you can see it here. Automatically it's going to choose general. Okay, you can unselect it and choose the category that you'd like it to go into, and if you'd like it to go into more than one, you certainly can do that as well. You can also add a new category here. So let's say you get here and all of a sudden you realize you're going to be writing a whole series on a new topic. You can add the category down below. Now, this doesn't give you the slug option. So if you want to change the slug so that it's search engine optimized and in your sweet spot, then you'll need to go back up to dashboard and change it under categories on your dashboard homepage. All right, but this is where you put your blog posts into categories, and you can also add a new category immediately here if you'd like. Well, I hope that this has been a helpful video for you on how to add, edit, and classify with categories. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section below. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.